It's crunch time. Understanding a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and widely used English phrase. It's crunch time. This phrase is not only common in everyday conversations but also enriches your understanding of English idioms. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, "It's crunch time," refers to a period when the pressure is on, and a high level of performance is required. This is usually because a deadline is approaching or an important event is imminent. It's a time when you need to focus, work hard, and give your best effort. The word, crunch, here symbolizes a critical or decisive moment, and time indicates the specific period this is happening. Understanding the origins of idioms can be quite enlightening. The phrase, "It's crunch time," likely originated in the context of sports, where the final moments of a game are critical and can determine the outcome. Over time, it has been adopted into general use, signifying any high-pressure situation, not just in sports but in business, academics, and personal life too. To get a better grasp of how to use "It's crunch time," let's look at some examples. 1. With the exams next week, it's crunch time for students to study. 2. The project deadline is tomorrow. It's crunch time at the office. 3. It's crunch time for the team to finish the presentation. These examples show the phrase being used in different contexts, highlighting its versatility and relevance in various scenarios. Here are some tips to effectively use "It's crunch time." Use it when discussing situations with tight deadlines or high pressure. It's suitable for informal and semi-formal contexts, but avoid using it in very formal settings. Combine it with expressions of encouragement or motivation, as it often implies a call to action or focus. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel comfortable using the phrase, "It's crunch time." Remember, learning idiomatic expressions not only improves your fluency but also helps you understand the culture behind the language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use "It's crunch time" in your next conversation when the moment is right. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.